Hi, we're Laura and Lewis. In this video, we'll show you how to make this lounge sofa using just a few sheets of plywood.
To start the project, we first laminated 2 sheets of plywood using plenty of wood glue, making sure to spread it evenly along all the edges.
We used spring clamps along the edges to keep the 2 sheets together and added some weights on top. Then we set it aside to dry. If you have more clamps than us, use them, because there were definitely some small sections of separation.
Next, we cut 30 6-inch wide strips to make the legs using a straight edge and a circular saw. We stacked 2 sheets to speed up the cutting process.
Ready?
I'm hungry.
We initially forgot to cut 3 inches off the length of the plywood before cutting the strips, so here we are setting up a stop block on our miter saw to take care of that piece by piece.
Once they were all cut, we laminated 10 strips using wood glue and some brad nails. We made 3 legs altogether.
Then we sanded everything using 220 grit. We cut a backrest at 21 inches height and a 15-degree bevel along one edge, but we forgot to record that process.
While Laura cured her hunger cravings, I sealed all the pieces using a water-based polyurethane, all by my lonesome.
Sorry about that. While we let those dry, we started up the Shapeoko to cut out the spines for the backrest.
We cut out 6 pieces so we can laminate 2 sheets together using wood glue and clamps.
Lots of wood glue in this project. Finally, with all the pieces sanded and sealed, we dry fit the base with the feet upside down so we can trace the boundaries and pre-drill the mounting holes.
The outer back supports were pre-drilled to screw directly into the feet. The center back support received pocket holes so it could mount directly to the base.
We also hammered in some felt pads to the bottom of the feet so we don't scratch up our floors when moving the sofa around.
Then we moved the assembly indoors and secured everything with 2.5-inch screws. The spines were a tight fit and needed some persuasion, but our mallet and a scrap piece of wood made quick work of that.
After placing the backrest onto the spines and screwing them in, we made sure to do one last vacuum.
For the cushion, we used a twin-sized mattress. Laura sewed a cover using upholstery fabric, and we used large pillows from IKEA for the backrest.
Layla was quick to claim the sofa as her own.
If you learned anything new or simply enjoyed the video, please share this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.